to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So for today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys about my reviews on The Ordinary products. I myself have been using it for the past 1 month now. So I wanted to properly use it and then give you my honest opinion about how the product is. And I'm going to talk to you guys about it right now. Before I begin the video, I just wanted to say, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, like and share this video if you want to, because it's going to be very useful and very informative. So I hope that it really helps you guys. So I'm going to start now. So basically, I've been using Ordinary for, let's say, more than a month now. I got it at the start of August, and I've been using it because I really wanted to emphasize on skincare. Because I use a lot of makeup, like almost every week I have a lot of makeup on my face, and I need to do a lot of skincare to get my skin back to normal, because sometimes there are really bad days where my skin breaks out and it's really bad, so I need to take care of it. So I've been doing a lot of research, and one of the products that really had really good reviews was The Ordinary. I bought 3 things from The Ordinary. I'm going to show it to you guys right now. So I got 3 products from The Ordinary. I'm going to talk to you guys about it, and I'm going to explain to you guys how I use it and how beneficial it was for me. So here you go, 3 products. Ordinary is free of parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, 2 huge words I can't pronounce, animal oils, coal tar dyes, formaldehyde, mercury oxybenzone, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So it's basically a lot of good things, because a lot of skincare products and a lot of products have most of these ingredients, and The Ordinary doesn't, which is a +1. And also, they do not do animal testing. The first product that I will be talking about, which I purchased from The Ordinary, which I really needed and which is really beneficial for me, is The Ordinary caffeine solution. And here it is. Oh wait, so this is what it is. So basically, this product is with high solubility caffeine and green tea catechin. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but basically that's what it is. And basically all I'm supposed to do is massage a small amount onto this area, and you can also apply it over here as well. But as far as I've seen the reviews, mostly it's applied on this region for dark circles and a lot of discoloration and stuff like that. But it's not supposed to be used on broken skin, because I heard it's really bad, and you're not supposed to do that. So yeah, anyway, it's fragrance free, and it also targets dark circles and puffiness, which I really needed. So let me tell you from experience, I've been using it for a long time now, and basically I had really dark, very bad dark circles. You could see it. Now I'm not wearing makeup, so it doesn't look as bad as how it was, according to me, according to my experience. So I've been using this morning and night every day. When I wake up in the morning, I apply a little bit over here, and it just helps a lot. And then before sleeping again, I apply it on, and then just go to sleep, and I'm super fresh in the morning. You can see the difference. I mean, I've seen the difference. I've been using it for more than a month now, and yeah, I've been seeing the difference, and I'm really happy with this purchase. I suggest, if anyone has dark circles, puffiness, to get this, because it's amazing, and I'm giving you my honest review. So the next product that I'll be talking about is the hyaluronic acid. This is basically I need to give you a lot of information about this, because it's a molecule which basically retains moisture. So I need to talk to you guys about it, and I'll be getting into detail about it right now. Always do a face wash and clean your skin before you apply hyaluronic acid, because it basically retains moisture. So when your face is really dry and you apply this, it becomes more dry, because it's taking all the moisture out, right? So what you're supposed to do is, your skin has to be either damp, or it has to be very wet. That's also fine, I think that's okay. But you have to have damp skin, basically skin after your shower or something, and then you apply a moisturizer. That's fine too, or you could just apply it on damp wet skin. And yeah, I think this is amazing for that purpose. I usually only use 2 drops. I take the serum, and I just put 1, 2, 3 3 drops or 2 drops, and I just apply it all over my face. And I have dry skin, so my skin gets really crazy like after I apply it. So I instantly apply a moisturizer on top, and then my skin just stays fresh the whole time. Like it's just super fresh, and I can feel like the moisture is retained, and it's just amazing. And also benefit for people living in UAE, it's really good during humidity. Like it's really good. You put it and you go out, and your skin's gonna be like just fresh, because it's gonna suck all the moisture out of the air, and your skin is just gonna be hydrated. But right now it's not that humid anymore, so I don't think you should do that. But just apply moisturizer. Just always apply moisturizer, or I don't know what's gonna happen, because I feel like the results vary from person to person. So according to my experience, I've always had damp skin first, and then I apply the hyaluronic acid, and then I put moisturizer, and then it's just everything is just perfect and normal for my skin type. And experience wise, since I've been using it for more than a month, it's really good. My skin is super soft and it's amazing. And yeah, I am really happy with the purchase again. I totally recommend hyaluronic acid. It's really good, and even the caffeine solution. And the next one I'm going to be talking about is the natural moisturizing factor. So natural moisturizing factor is basically with amino acids, dermal lipids, and also hyaluronic acid. So there's another benefit of using this. It's already hyaluronic acid with the same cream as well. So basically it's given, directions are given that you're supposed to apply after serums as needed for effective surface hydration. If irritation occurs, cease use and consult a physician. So basically you can use this after using the hyaluronic acid. I feel like if you don't have a moisturizer, it's fine, you can use this as well. So this is like kind of like a necessary purchase, because it's actually just like a cream, and it's also useful for any skin type. You don't have to have oily, dry, or whatever. You can have any skin type and you can still use this. This is like another great benefit. I personally myself have dry skin, so I really needed to get this. This is one of the first products I actually purchased from The Ordinary. And yeah, I think it's worked out really well for me. So basically during the start of my use of The Ordinary products, I first started off by using hyaluronic acid, and I also put a cream that I usually use. But then like a few days later I started using this again because I wanted to try it out. I used it at the start, but then I just didn't see much, I didn't feel the difference, so I started using another moisturizer, and then I felt better. So this one I apply sometimes after I take a shower, or like middle of the day when my skin gets a little dry. So I just start applying this, and it just feels amazing. It's really good, and I suggest that you guys get your hands on this. So yeah guys, basically that is all the products that I use from The Ordinary for my skincare. And from my personal experience, I think it's amazing. I think that it's a really good purchase. And also I feel like if you really want to take care of your skin, I feel like The Ordinary is your way to go. I ordered my products from Cult Beauty. I got like a little discount rate from a friend of mine, so I got it for a little cheaper. But if you guys want to get a discount, please feel free to DM me or to comment down below, and I will send you a 10% off, so that you can get the products if you want to get it really badly, and you can get 10% off on your total amount. Just wanted to add in that these products are only suitable for dry skin. The one which I just showed you is suitable for people who have dry skin. I myself have dry skin, so it's suitable for me. But if you have oily skin and you have normal skin, you're supposed to do your own research and get the products which is suitable for your skin. I know a few people who have been using The Ordinary for oily skin. I feel like it's niacinamide. You have to get that, as well as retinol. I'm not sure, but I feel like these are the products which is you need for oily skin. And for normal skin, I'm not sure. I haven't come across anyone who has normal skin and who uses The Ordinary products, so I'm not sure. But you can definitely find so many like websites or people who have blogged about it, and you can just read upon what are the main products that you need for skincare according to your skin type. But for dry skin, you guys can definitely use a product which I used. The first one is caffeine solution. Okay, wait, actually caffeine solution is for dark circles, but you can get it if you want to. But natural moisturizing factors and hyaluronic acid are the two best products, one of the two best products which is good for your dry skin. So you can try using that, and I feel like it'll really help you. So this is, I've used Ordinary just for like maintaining my skin, But in terms of makeup and makeup cleansing and removing toxicity from my skin because of makeup, I use other products which I will get into at another point of time, not now. But for this video, I just wanted to emphasize on how great the Ordinary products have been to me. I mean, for me, and in my experience. You can definitely check out other people's experiences and you can decide. But as far as I know, it's amazing and it's a definitely worth it product. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys got some information, and I hope you guys are gonna start take care of your skin because it's really important. So I'm gonna like complete the video now, and what I wanted to say is please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please share it if you want to. And also please feel free to give me any feedback if you want to about anything regarding whatever I said in this video. I'm open to getting feedback, and also check out my other videos. And I hope you guys have a great day or a great night, and take care of yourselves. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.